So in this video I will tell you how you can withdraw bigger amount without need to be waiting for days at Pocket Option. I have figured out how to do it without you need to send in all the documents and all this bullshit that you will need to do if you try to withdraw big amount, and it's much faster. I will get back to social trading and I will give you some results about that also later in the video, so make sure you wait for that. But now the point of this video also is, if you want to have 50% on all the money you have in Pocket Option, I have a solution for you. And also, if you don't have an account with Pocket Option from before, it's the first link below the video. Also, if you want to copy my signals, it's the second link. So if you have account from before, you should withdraw all your money, close down your old account, then reopen with my link that you find below the video. So now I'll show you how you can do if you have a lot of money in your account, and how you can get all the money in one day, and literally in just minutes. Okay, so I will show you. So let's go now over here. I did just withdraw some money here now. So let's see. So here you can see I did withdraw these two yesterday and they're completed, and they were completed in just minutes. Because if you withdraw less than $2,000, in this case you should withdraw around 900. So if you have, for example, an account of 10,000, just withdraw like 11 times of 900 or something like that, and you can withdraw everything much faster. If you try to withdraw all the amount in one time, they will ask you to send in documents, they will ask you all these things, and it might take 1 week, 2 weeks before you get the money. But if you withdraw in many small times, and you can do all that after each other, so when one is completed you can do the next. You can see I did a test here with 100 and I did 900, and you can see it was right away. So if you want to do that also, you can see here was 27 minutes between, but it was much faster before completed. So if you want to do that also, just do in many times and you can get all your money in one day instead of waiting for a long time. That's how, if you have accounts from before, you can withdraw all money, close your account, reopen with a new email, and whoops, you have all your money. Now let's take a fast look. I did stop all the trades here because I will find better ones. But let's check the social trading. Let's find the one that we did copy. So we did copy these two. These two actually did quite good. We got a total profit from this one here, $60, and total profit from this one, 61. So these two, I will make another video. We will activate these two again and probably find a couple of more. Probably put this one live also. So I will find a few, so we copy maybe 5 people and we will keep going with that. So that's the update video for that, and how you can withdraw your money from Pocket Option the smart way. Have an amazing day.